What's going on, Gorilla Gang? Today, we're doing a Christmas special. We got a huge rib roast. We're gonna be making some prime rib. We're gonna cut this bad boy open, throw on some Cosmos SP&G, and then I'm gonna make a compound butter out of some Plowboys Bovine Bold and 3 sticks of Kerrygold's butter. Mix that all together, coat this whole thing in it, throw it on the smoker at 275 degrees. Once it reaches about 120 internal by my meat stick, we'll pull that off and we'll sear it. One lucky subscriber is gonna win this cutting board. Gotta be subscribed to win it. Once we hit 1,000, giving this away. We're giving a MeatStick Thermometer away, and we're giving some Drunken Chef rubs away. So make sure you're subscribed, and once we hit that, we're doing the giveaway. Let's get into the cook. I'm gonna start off just by taking it out of the package. Look at this beautiful cut of meat. That is a big 4-bone rib roast. I'm actually not gonna trim anything off it. So I'm just gonna do a base coat of this SP&G. I'm not gonna go real heavy with the SP&G because we're about to put a lot more on this thing. I hope you guys like my Santa hat because little gorilla picked this one out. All right, with that coated down, we're gonna move this to the side. I'm gonna do 3 sticks of this softened Kerrygold butter. And a whole heaping amount of this. In fact, we're gonna pop that bad boy open. If you have not tried Plowboys yet, this is some good stuff. So we got our butter in there at the Plowboys. And I'm just gonna mix this all together. Some more of that seasoning in it. Got 1 more stick of Kerrygold just in case this isn't enough. That's what we're looking like. I think I'm gonna actually put a little more seasoning on here. Fold it in there. Definitely softens up a lot more when you start folding it around too. All right, that's mixed up enough. Back over, and I'm just gonna start covering this thing up. Might need a spatula. That's one side down. Let's keep her going. Looks like we'll need that last stick of butter after all. And just one side left. Definitely the messiest steak I've made before. All right, get my hands cleaned off. We'll get the meat stick in there. All right, I'm gonna turn my meat stick on. Open up my app. Set up cook. Smoke beef. Prime rib. Going for a 125 internal. Sending cook to MeatStick. Ready to go. Insert MeatStick. You want to insert it all the way up to the ceramic coating. Start cooking. Since I know a lot of this is going to drip off, I'm going to be putting my cast iron in underneath of it to catch all the drippings, and then in the end, we'll sear it in the cast iron. So let's head out to the smoker. All right, that is in the smoker. I got it pulled up on my meat stick, so I'll know right when it's done. And we'll go out and check on it here in a little bit, and we'll see how that butter's melting down. All right, guys, it's gotten a little late, but we are done. Look at this guy. Oh, man. I cannot wait. I'm gonna pull my MeatStick thermometer out for when I do the searing, because that cannot go up to the temperatures we're going to be searing at. And then I'm going to pull the whole thing off. I'm going to rest it on my tray here while I get this char griller up to searing temps. Let's get it going. I might pick that char griller up too. 600 degrees. As you can see, this thing is roaring. It is hot in here. It's showing almost 600 degrees on the temp gauge. This will go up to 750. It's time to sear. I'd much prefer to be searing on my Weber grill, but I use the last of the charcoal on my charcoal. Whew, that is hot. She's toasty. It's time to slice into her. All right, guys, we are done. This thing smells amazing. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, look at that. I cannot wait to get sliced into this. But you know what we gotta do first? We gotta take some pictures. So we'll get right into that. All right, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Wow, that is perfect. All right. I'm gonna take these bones off. Just like that. You have beautiful thick cut prime rib for Christmas. You can obviously go a little bit thinner on your cuts. And the nice thing about cooking prime rib is the pieces that are closer to the middle are gonna be more rare, and the pieces closer to the outside will be more done. See, if I have different people that have different tastes, see this is on the outside, it's a lot more done, but I'm gonna take throwing meat. So a piece from the center cut. There's so much flavor. Get a little piece from the outside with the seasoning on there. That's where the money's at, guys. Those outside pieces where that seasoning was, but I mean the whole thing, just tender, perfectly cooked throughout the whole thing using the meat stick. That's why I love using it. You can't go wrong with this. So this is definitely a fun thing to try. I've never done that butter coating before, but the flavor, amazing. So everyone, make sure you are subscribed for that 1,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.